right. So it's a little bit of a trade review and my outlook on foreign currencies and DXY. So let's go back to let's look at the forward charts. So starting on I think it was November. That's where we had this swing point here. Then some kind of SMT divergence between euro here and GBP USD. So since then we've been in a tight range, corrective structure, impulsive mover, corrective, then impulsive, corrective, impulsive. So basically you have seen the structure that we have been on, but on the start of January, things got much spicier. See how we tapped down on that low. Then since January, I think it's January here, 18, we've been really bullish. Price have gone over 500 pips on GBP USD. I think that's much. Is really strong push there. So this is just a trade review and my analysis going on to the end of the week. So here is Sunday, Monday opening, Tuesday, and Friday. So let me calibrate this and bring it to this new week that we are currently on. Okay, we're gonna start with pound, then we're gonna push through pound, euro, and DXY. So I think I'm gonna start with Monday here. I'm gonna take this off. So I always mark my midnight opens. I always mark my midnight opening. So that's one thing that's always on my chart. Helps helps with knowing where we are in terms of the weekly range. So tomorrow we have having FOMC. I don't know if they are late announcements. Let me check. Don't know if it's a late announcement or see here. Fucking FOMC. Just a minute, chat. A minute. So we're gonna have rates. It's a federal funds rate, then FOMC statement, then at 2:30 FOMC press conference. So tomorrow is gonna be very crazy day, especially on PM session. I will not be touching anything tomorrow. So here we opened on Monday. The little bit of corrective structure here, impulsive, then this corrective structure. Then you can see what happened here. Had this open, drop lower, then had a big push. This one, it is impulsive structure. We had an SMT divergence between euro and SMT divergence between euro and pound, where pound was able to make a high and euro Pound was able to make a higher low, and the Euro USD made a lower low. So I'm talking for a structure like this way. So see, in terms of Euro had a lower low, and Pound USD had this structure on Monday opening. So definitely you're seeing what trying to explain here. So this is pound and this is euro, and this is what we are seeing right here. So I was able to take in a long entry here at it was it was the London session. I trade on London session. I was able to wait something out. Oh, okay. Sorry. Uh, this long. I took the long on here. I took it on New York session, but I really didn't trust it. Didn't really hold it that much. You can see my exit was here, but my buy was here. I don't know why TradingView isn't putting here my execution marks, but it should be here. So I had something like something, I don't know. Let's say this way. My stop loss was below that low. Then I was trying to swing for this eye here, but definitely you can see what happened. I was unable to do that because I manually closed it today in the morning, because I thought this retracement could lead us to this taking out this loss. So I closed it manually, and I really didn't re-enter. What I did, I took a I took a short position on Euro USD as when I was closing this. So I was looking for a push below these lows, then continue going higher on New York open today. So let me show you my Euro USD charts here. So um, for this one, you can see I actually had a break-even trade here. For this one, you can see I did took a short here. I took the short position here. I'm putting the position tool so that I can be able to explain what trade it did happen. I was looking for this low, this there was a 4 consequent encroachment there. So in terms of my target, I was looking for that as my exit and terminus, but you can see what happens. Took the short here, but got this break even. But I say it was fine. But the thing is that I wasn't able to manage the trade properly because I was kind of busy. So, it happens sometimes. It is what it is as far as we manage risk. So, my objective, I think we have tapped also on a weekly level. We have taken out this higher. I was looking also on this buy side. Look at that push. Or something here. Can he cook? I think I'm gonna need this one too. Here. And also we'll be looking for this these two highs. They are kind of relative equal highs, a really long term relative equal highs, so we'll be looking for them too. I need to name them. Okay, give me a sec here. I think that's much better in terms of what we'll be aiming for and where we are in terms of price. So we did take out these level that I was looking for today, but I was unable to size myself in the longs because, as I said, I was a little bit busy and I'm not also a New York session trader. But if someone could have taken a swing position earlier, could have been talking about something else right now. So I'm gonna take this off. Sorry about the chat, it's kinda messy. I was not prepared. So I was not prepared to for this fucking stream here. Okay. That's Monday, Tuesday, and tomorrow. I think there. So my bias still remain kind of bullish. Yeah. I think this eye is much relevant, but before we get to that high, I think what I'm looking for right now, we can get a little bit of retracement because we're really taking out a large pool of liquidity. I think we can get a retracement tomorrow to these inefficiencies right here. So these, I'm not saying it's gonna be tomorrow, but right now it's kind of hard to determine because of, this is the objective. This buy side is the objective, but going to that buy side, price can do something like this. Don't know if you get it. So something sort of, see, but in terms of where we are, that's what I'm looking for. This is the draw, but price may do something